First of all, I'll open our Excel file. This is our Excel file. So first of all, I will show you about quick analysis. Okay, how we'll use quick analysis option. Okay, suppose this is a text A, V, C, D, and they have some data. Suppose any data, that's not problem. Okay, like that. So just when you will select that data, okay, when you will select that data, you will see here a option will come here. Okay, so this is known as quick analysis. Okay, this is known as quick analysis. So when you will click on it, just see here they have many options: formatting, chart, totals, table. Okay, suppose if you click here, it will show you as table. Just simple like that, it will show you as table. Okay, so again I will Ctrl Z, I'll go back. So from here, if you come here, this is the data bar. Okay, so if you click here, it will show you like that. Ctrl Z, then again click here, and then color. Okay, so just this is the color, then icon set, then this is the greater than or top percent value, color, greater. Okay, there have some option. Suppose how that work. Suppose if you give here the formal cell greater than 10, then it will show you the different color. Which color you will select, it will show you. But if you select that value are greater than 13, then this is not working. So like that way we can use our quick analysis option. So from here, chart, you can also use chart like that. Okay, so you can use chart, any kinds of chart according to requirement. After the totals, you can sum that. Just simple click here, see that here your sum, then average, then count, number 4 data here, then total. This is the 100%. Just actually many things are available here. After the table, you can use table. Then here you can also use a column. Okay, so like that you can use that. So in this way you can use the quick analysis tool. Okay, quick analysis tool. After that we will go for filter. So first of all, I'll select that and I will make here, I will just select that, and from here I will create a table. Okay, I'll consider that this is a table. I'll consider that this is a table. Now again Ctrl Z, come here and take your mouse. Suppose here, take your mouse here and go here, data. Okay, data, and click here filter. Just simply click here filter. Now see that they have two options. Okay, I mean drop down like a drop down list. They have two options. Now you can filter your data. Suppose why we will use filter our data. Suppose we have huge amount of data. Okay, we have huge amount of data, but we need some specific data. Then we have to find that by scrolling or like that. But from here we can easily find out that. So from here, which data we want to show here? Suppose we want to show only data from B. So if you click here, just see here the data are available from B only. So again I will if you again click here, then suppose now I want to see about C and D. Okay, not V, sorry, C and D, not V. Then press OK. Now your data for C and D are available. Okay, so click here, select wall, press OK. Similarly for that side, this is also the select all or data for 12. Okay, then so in this way just you can use your data as they have same types of data. That's why a filter are not working. So if you give here 13, okay, now go here, just see here. If you want to see only the value for 13, just come here. Then here value are available for only for 13. Just see here, this is the good way to use your filter. Now I will just use also 12. So now I'll go back by pressing Ctrl Z. So now I will show you about drop down list. Okay, suppose you have huge amount of data. Okay, you have like that A B C D. Then if we click here, C D A B C D, sorry, from here A B, so like that you just click here. Suppose we have data like that. Okay, otherwise, so there is the data A V. We can change that V, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Suppose this is our data now, but this is not only the few data. When you have huge amount of data in a row, then suppose you need to find out a data instantly or quickly, then how will use that? Okay, just suppose here you need to take your that data as a list, and you will be able to select the data very instantly. So for that, simply take your mouse here. Okay, take your mouse here where you want to make your drop down list. So now just take your mouse here, go here data. After that, from here go data validation, click here, and from here just click here data validation, or simply click here, so click data validation. Okay, so from here there have many options, any value, whole number, decimal, list. So I'll select list. Okay, I'll select list. And source, what is the source? So by clicking here source, just we'll select from that point to that point. Okay, from that point to that point. After that we'll press here OK. We'll press OK. Just see here, this is our drop down point. If I make a here, this is a drop down point. Now here you are seeing that this is a arrow sign. Okay, this is arrow sign. Simply click on it. Now see here, this is your data. This is your data. Simply move it. Okay, simply move it, and here press A. Just see that here is your data. You can also change that for F, for I, like that. Okay, so you can use drop down list for your many purpose of work. After that, I will show you autofill columns with and autofill row. Suppose they have a data. Okay, they have a data like that. Okay, now this is the data. Now how will, and they have also another data. Now how will, just you need a small space, but it's taking huge amount of space. I mean, it's with or taking very long space. Also if I increase that like that way, so how will just adjust that? Okay, how will use autofill columns and width. So for that, just simply come here and double click. Just see here, it's taking the required value. Again simply come here, double click, again here like that, simply come here and double click. Just see here, it's taking your data. Suppose it's this column or width are very far, just simply double click here, it will adjust its width. Now here you are seeing that the row width or height are very, I mean they're very much. Then just simply double click here, just see it. So in this way you can use autofill, okay, column or row. After that, I will show you about something then transports. Suppose this is your data. Okay, this is a two data of two columns. Here is a data for two columns. Now you need to transpose that data. I mean, you need to you change that data row and column, row to column, column to row. Okay, now how will do that? Just simply select your data like that. Otherwise just like that, select your data, then right click, then copy, left click. After that, where you want to transpose that or change that row to column or column to row, just come here, select here, then right click and go here. Okay, go here, special. Okay, paste special. So from here just you have to come from special, just see here transpose. Okay, from special, just see here transpose, just simply click on it. Now see that your data is, if I make it like that way, just see that your data have changed. This is the its column have converted to row. So like that way you can use your transpose. Okay, also just simply copy that, copy, Ctrl C, then just simply come here, and from here this option also available here. Otherwise you have to go a special paste, then from here you have to find out, this is the transpose. Okay, this is transpose option, just simply transpose here. So like that way you can change the column to row, row to column. I will show you that how we'll remove duplicate data. Suppose we have huge amount of data here, we have huge amount of data. Suppose if I delete that, Control delete. Suppose this is a data. Okay, they have huge amount of data. Now in that data, when you have a data entry work, or just you have suddenly input a same name or same data in several times. Okay, then how will remove that? Suppose here is a and also here is a and here I have a C. Okay, they have a and they have a C. So how will find out that where we have duplicate data? And also by find out to find out duplicate data, they have another way by using conditional formatting. So you can use that to find out your conditional, by use that condition you can find out your data, but you can remove that manually. It will just show you where your data is, I mean where your data is duplicate. But I have already created a video on it, so you can watch our previous video. That link is given in description, and also they have many video that are required, maybe required for you, so you can watch that from our channel. Now just I'll simply select that. Okay, simply select that. Okay, now I'll go here data. Okay, from here I'll go here data. Now I'll just click here, simply remove duplicates. Just I'll come here. Okay, so from here just you have to select where your data have. So from cell B, okay, at cell, and they have cell V, just in column B. Okay, we'll remove our duplicate data. Just press OK. Now it's showing us 2 duplicates value found and removed. Okay, 9 unique value remain. Just press OK. Now see here, there was your A and C, but this is not available right now. Okay, just if I go Ctrl Z, just see here A and C, that is A and C. Again if I go here, remove duplicate, this is cell B, and press OK. Okay, just see here our A and C have removed. So in this way you can use your duplicate data. Okay, now after that I will show you that how we'll use goal check. Okay, suppose you have some data, or suppose you have a company, or you want to you have a goal to sell your product. Okay, you have a goal to sell your product and you have a different day. So suppose 4 days work have complete. If I come here, I have already created a format for you. Suppose this is your quantity, this is the day quantity. Okay, and this is the price of your day product. Suppose like that, you can select any arrangements. Now suppose 4 days you have completed, 4 days you have completed. Now you have 1 day and your target is 2 lakh. Okay, your target is 2 lakh, but you have sell, if I give here 0. Okay, just it's showing you that you have sell 173030, 2330. this is your cell value and you record that, but this is not okay. Okay, this is your goal, but this is your last forest sell price. But now how much you have to sell according to this price? Okay, how much you have to sell according to that price, you have to find out that. Okay, you have to find out that at your last day. So I will just use that. So for that, okay, for find out that, simply come here data, then from here what if analysis. Okay, what if analysis, just simply click on that arrow, and from here just here, okay, and click on goal sec. Click on goal sec, just simply click here goal sec and set cell. Sorry, this is your cell, this is your cell. Okay, this is our set cell. This cell we need the value go, sorry, just here simply click here. Now to value, okay, to value, what should be the value? The value will be 2000, okay, 2 lakhs. And by changing cell, okay, by changing cell, I mean which cell's value will change, just simply click here, after that click here. Now simply press OK. Just see here, it's up completed, and it's showing you that your 5th day's quantity, okay, your 5th day's quantity should be 8. Your 5th day's quantity should be 8. Just simply press OK. Now suppose if we decrease that value, suppose it's 350. Okay, now it's again decreasing. Now again go that here, I mean again go here, what if, okay, what if, then goal sec, again this is just delete that and select, I mean what is your goal value. First of all you have to select set cell, then to value, what is your value? Okay, 20000, maybe yes. After that by changing cell, I mean which cell data will be changed, which cell data will be changed. So here now simply click OK. Now see that you need to sell at 5th day, the required quantity is 79. Okay, so in this way you can use your goal validation, I mean goal sec. Okay, now I will see you flash and autofill. This is the most important part. This is the most important part and the most important thing in Excel. Suppose you have huge amount of Gmail ID or any data. Suppose you have huge amount of Gmail ID. Again I am just copying that, Ctrl C, just press Ctrl V. Okay, now here you have huge amount of Gmail ID. Okay, now suppose you need to know about from that Gmail ID. Okay, from that Gmail ID, this is the ID, mail ID, and here is the username. Okay, so simply come here, this is the username. So this is the mail ID and username. Suppose how we'll get the username with respect to their mail ID, so this is known as autofill. Okay, this is known as flash autofill. Okay, so first of all simply write here sm.hedaetullah. This is the channel own name, I mean this is me. So sm.hedaetullah@gmail.com. okay, so sm.hedaetullah, and just you have to write the name with except the dot. Okay, just simply write here sm space ACDAETULLAS. Perfectly write that name, then enter. Again write the next name here, write the next name. What is the name? NJ Disha. This is my another partner name, I mean YouTube partner, my another YouTube partner name. So I have used that name. Actually this is not a legal Gmail address. The second one, the first one is legal. So I will just give here NJ. Just simply see here your all data have filled. Just if you see here your all data have filled, just simply press, after that simply press enter. Now see here, see the magic. Okay, this is actually, this is magic, because your all name have collected. This is the nj.di, this is nj.acdaet Hedaet. So like that, according to your Gmail name, it's fill its username. Okay, now actually what is the autofill? Autofill means, suppose if you give here 1, if you give here 2, now just simply select both, and from here come here and you will see the black plus sign, and then left, press your left mouse, left side of your mouse, then move that, then see here it's have autofill. Okay, this is the autofill. But if you give here simple 1, and if you select it or move it, just it will give you that value. So in that way you can just use your flash and autofill option. After that I will show you some paste special values. Okay, paste special values. So how will just paste a special value? So for that, suppose if I give here equal to sum, suppose this is our 2 value, and if you see here they have a function. Okay, they have a function, but if I copy that data, from that place to another place, I have to copy that. Just simply right click and copy. Okay, we have copy. Okay, fine. But when we'll insert that data, then how we'll insert? We'll insert with that function, or we'll insert only for value. So this is known as paste special values. So simply if we paste here, just right click, then paste special. Okay, paste special, then if you select here, it will paste same as your previous. Okay, same as previous. Just click here, just see here your that function are available also. This formula bar are, this formula are also available here. Now again if we come here, right click, and if we special paste. Okay, so if special paste, so from here if we just click here, it will give you the function only. Okay, it will give you the function. Just see here now that Gmail ID are not like that here. Okay, it's a change, again if we come here, right click, then come here, then just it's giving a formula and number formatting. So it will also give you the formula and number formatting. So again keep source formatting. So if you just click here, it will give you same as your source formatting. Okay, after that the paste value. So from here only you can paste here only value, then values and number formatting, then values and source formatting. So if you click here values, simply click here values, now click here, now it's only value are available here. Okay, just at your main here they have a formula, but here it's a value only. So in this way you can just use your paste special values. How to copy and paste your special values. Now I'll show some another thing, that how we'll use absolute cell reference. Okay, they have 2 cell reference, the relative cell reference and absolute cell reference. So suppose they have a value 1 on consider that this is the value. Okay, and here I will create, and they have a value. I will multiply every data with 10. So I'll just give it 10, and I will give it equal to that cell into that cell. So it's 1 into 10 means 10. Okay, it's fine. But when I will just take it here, I mean I will copy that all format, just see here it's giving me 0. Why? Because it's taking G30. G, this is the 30. Okay, second one, but it's not giving me that J28. Okay, it's giving me J28, the value of it. It's giving me that blank value. So how will just change that when you are seeing that this is the relative cell formatting? Okay, but I mean the relative cell reference. But when you will now, how will use, just I will just delete that. Okay, I'll just delete that. Simply I will just delete that. And how will just change that? Okay, so to use cell formatting, just simply double click. Now just you have to give the $sign, shift, and from your keyboard give $sign before your text and before your cell number. Okay, before your column number and before your cell number. Just click like that. Okay, $J and $28, then press enter. Now what is the benefit here? So when we'll scroll, I mean when we'll copy our cell in down, then our that cell relative value G29 will change, but our absolute value will not change. It will be same as J28. Just simply left click on your mouse, then move, just come here, just see here. In this time when you come here, just see here your that value are same in every cell. Okay, sorry. So just 7 into 10 17, 9 into 10 90, 10 into 10 100, like that. 7 8 into 10 780. So like that we can use our referral, sorry, Control Z, then referral cell. We can use our absolute cell formatting. Okay, so I think first I will show that for formula show. Okay, suppose there have some formula. This is the product, this also product. Okay, so there have 1 2 3 4 5 6 formula here. I have applied it here, 6 formula. So now I want to show about that formula. Suppose they have many more formula, and also I want to show every formula. So how will see that? They have the first way is go here file, then from here go option, and from here go advanced and go down. Okay, and from here just have to find out here show formula in cell instead of their calculated result. Okay, just simply click here OK, tick here and then press OK. Just see here, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. It's showing the formula, not results. Okay, it's showing formula, it's not showing actually the result. Okay, so in this way we can found that. Again Control Z, sorry, here. Now again I will go ahead to change that setting advanced. After that I'll just come here, show formula, then press OK. Just see here, this is our data now. And another way, just simply click on it and it will show you here in formula bar. Okay, it's showing the formula. Otherwise double click and here also it's showing the formula. Then escape, press escape to go out from that comment. So in next I will show you about free spans. Okay, free spans. Now suppose suppose here now they have many data. Okay, they have many data, and if I delete that 3, suppose here many data, and also I will delete that 3. Delete. Now you have many data, and when I am scrolling bottom, then I have lost the top. Okay, the name, the top name. If I also delete that, then what will be C? And from here, suppose we have data like that. Delete that. So we have data like that. Now we will go down. Okay, you have a huge amount of data. We'll go down, or we'll go right or left. So we want that our top bar and or that first bar or any bar will be freeze. When we'll move, they will not move except the other data. Okay, suppose you have data here like that. Control C, I'm just doing it for learning purpose. Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, suppose now I just want to show that data with respect to that email ID. Okay, with respect to that email ID, and also I want to show the bottom data with respect to that username or anything. Okay, here. Okay, so how will just escape? Then how will just do that? To do, I mean to complete that procedure, just click here. Okay, so I mean you have to select the bar from here. I mean you have to select the box, the immediate right of the left box. Okay, I mean at which bar, I mean at which box, which column you want to freeze, and which row you want to freeze the immediate bottom and immediate right of that line. Okay, so I want to freeze that line, and also I want to freeze that line, that two line. So I will just select, this is the immediate bottom and this is the immediate right, so that line I will select that. Okay, so just click on that bar. After that, go. So after that, go here, view. Okay, so from view, just come here, freeze pans. So they have 3 options. So first of all, if a user freeze top row, so if you want to freeze top row, just simply click here and just go bottom. Just see here, this row are not moving, this row are not moving anymore. But if we go right, our that bar are moving. Okay, so again simply click here and come here, and from here just simply click here. Okay, and sorry, just click here, unfreeze. Okay, now when we will move that, it will move. Now suppose we want to move our that side, I mean left side, I mean the immediate left column, then just simply come here, and from here freeze first column. So just when we'll move that, just see now it's not moving. Okay, it's not moving at now. Okay, just again come here and click here, unfreeze, then it will move. Now I just want that that first column and my first row will not move, they will be freeze. So just simply click here. Okay, the immediate top and immediate right, immediate bottom and immediate right. After that, come here, and from here freeze pans. Okay, freeze pans. Okay, now just simply go left or right, just see that this line are not moving, and also go top or bottom, just see that this line are not moving. So in this way, just we can we can freeze our required data where it is required. So I think it's clear to you. Okay, now we will see about Frostcast sheet. Okay, So for that, suppose if I go here, suppose I have some data like, sorry, Control Z. I have some historical data. When you will get some historical data with respect to a month or any data value, then you can do that. Okay, suppose this is two data, just simply we have to select that. Okay, we have to select that, then go here, data. Okay, go here, data, then click here, forecast sheet. Simply click here, sorry, it's select that data, forecast int, and if we select from here, what happens, see, just it's showing a state line, because they have no changing of that value in future. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 with respect to that data, that value are not changing. So if we cancel that, and from here, okay, from here if I change that value, it's 2, it's 5, it's 1, it's 5, it's 3, it's 6, it's 2, okay, it's 9. Now if we select that, and if we go here, forecast data, just see here, our data are changing, I mean it's showing a forecast data. Okay, so like that it's showing us, I mean our data validation or our data can be changed like that way with respect to that value. So it's just showing that. Okay, so this is the way, I mean when we'll use that, when we have to predict some data, some rainfall or any of data, I mean which work we use as a civil engineer, I have used a rainfall prediction, so then we can use that data for our future prediction. Okay, so I'll just, after that you have to create. Okay, so this is your data, this is your future predicted data. Okay, just I will simply delete that tab. Okay, no problem, no need to delete. After that I will show you about that how to move some data. Okay, how to move some data. So from here, how can we move some data? So to move some data, simply select that data and take your mouse on that line, and you will see here a 4-side arrow. Here, when you'll take your mouse here, it's showing 4-side arrow. After that, simply move your data where you want to move. Just see that your data have moved like that way. Also, Ctrl Z, you can move full data like that way. Ctrl Z again. You can also move a column just like that, or also you can move a row. Just take your mouse here and fixed with 4 arrows, then move that. Just like that you can move your data. Now I will just show you something. Suppose this is a table and we have to find out this table is very small, but when we have a big table and we need to find out the blank data and we need to remove that blank, so how we'll do that? Actually, just simply take your click any any position of that table. After that, go home, and from here find and search and go to a special. After that, from here blank, then press OK. Just see here it's showing 1 2 3 4, that 4 1 2 3 4, that 4 pointer showing us blank. So just take your mouse here and click delete, and from here shift cell left, okay, then press OK. Just see here this is our data and our blank have removed, okay, or blank data have removed. I'll show you about data validation. So what is the data validation actually? Suppose you want to make Excel sheet for your school program, okay, you want to make a Excel sheet for your school program, and I'll give name A, V, C, D, and I'll give its name as MARKS, mark sheet, SS mark sheet. Okay, so I'll just consider that this is a mark sheet. Now this is the name A, V, C and D, A, V, C and D, and here is their subject English and mathematics. So I'll just give here the number of English and mathematics, okay, and their number value will be 1 to, I mean their minimum number will be from 1 to 20, I mean 1 to 100, okay, their minimum number will be 1 to 100. Now how will just input that data here? Suppose I will give some condition here to provide that data, okay, so how will just do it? First of all, select all of that box, okay, simply just press your left corner and move mouse, select all of that box. After that come here data, okay, so after that come here data validation. After coming here data, then come here data validation, and from here just click here data validation, okay, just click here. Now here is the important thing. Now validation criteria, any value, when it is any value you can give here any value, they have no restriction. Just when you will come here whole number, okay, just if you want to give here whole number, then you have to give a fulfill number. I mean you have to give like 25, 35, you can use 25.25, like that you can use that value, okay. So from here you can use that value. Now just you have to give a value between minimum maximum, otherwise you can use decimal, okay, you can use decimal, just simply click here decimal, okay. So from here this is the decimal value, and our minimum value will be 0, I mean our data range will be from 0 to 100.00001, okay, our data will be like that. So I will just click here, okay. Now our validation have provided. Now if I give here 33, 60, 56, 59, like that, 43, 76, 37 and 38, suppose 38. So this is the value, we have provided that value and they have no problem actually. But if we provide here value less than 0, suppose if we give here value 0 and press enter, okay, and now if we provide here value -1, then enter, just see here it's showing a, here it's showing this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for the cell. Close, cancel. So just like that, if you provide suddenly a value, we know that for our exam mark it's between 0 to 100, so like that you can give your data validation here, so that you can reduce your, I mean you can reduce your mistake here, okay. So here I will give here 45, like that. Suppose here if I want to give her 123, just here it's showing us a signal message, or we can give her the value here actually. again just select that box, and if we change something here, data validation, then also you can change many, okay, many option from here. Now if you want to give here a error alert, then a stop, okay, and total the title, attention, provide value between 0 to 100, okay, then press OK. Now see that when we'll give here value 123, then it's showing us provide attention, it's showing us attention, provide value between 0 to 100, okay, provide value between 0 to 100. So in this way just we can use our data validation. Cancel. Now if you want to cancel that data validation, just simply again come here, and from here click data validation, and from here clear all, and from here also clear all, and here give her any value, okay, then press here any of those change to the wall other the same setting, then press OK. And if you give here 1 2 3, they have no problem actually. So in this way we can use our data validation. Now in our second tips I will just show you about autofill, okay, how we'll use autofill. So to use autofill, suppose I want a sequence of the number, so just simply give 1 then 2 and select both of 2 and take your mouse and wait till the changing of your mouse cursor, and then left click and move your mouse according to requirement. Just see here, this is the number format, okay, this is the number format. Now you can use any format, suppose or ULE, suppose it's rule 10, okay, this is sorry rule 1, then again come here rule 2, okay, this is the rule 1 and rule 2. Just again similarly select them and simply go down till 9. Just see here, it will give you the sequence, it will give you the sequence like that way. So it will give you the sequence, okay. After that, when it's done, now suppose you want to give the name of week, okay, first of all you want to give the name of month, then JAN, okay, then come here and take your mouse here, just see here, this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, like that it's giving you, okay, it's giving you the whole month. Now if you want to give her the week data, I mean value, then give her SAT, okay, then just simply move your mouse, just here Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay. If you click here Friday, like that, here your data is Friday, take your mouse here and move your data, it will give you the full name of your week. Now again if you give here, suppose it's March, now if you want to move it just till December, just see here, it's giving you the full name. Also if you select her March, like that, and from here if you move that, just see here, it's giving you the, and also you can move it in top, so it's January. So in that way you can also use your data format, I mean data autofill. Now if you want to give your month, so here you have to see here what is the value. First it's represent your month, then it's represent your day and then year. So just I'll give a month, this is 7, and the date 21, then I'll give the value 2020. Okay, so this is the data. Now simply go down, just see here, it's changing your data, it's changing your data like that way. Okay, otherwise you can also go here, home, date, for more number format, then come here, date. Okay, so from here you can select this is date with your day, then press OK. Just see here, it is giving you July 21 Wednesday, like that. Again select them, from here come here, date, sorry, just come here, custom, then date, and from here this is the many format. Actually this is there are many format actually according to requirement. Okay, so just let's select just like that, it's giving you day, then month, then so like that. And actually you can select your autofill option, I mean you can use your autofill option. Now suppose they have a table. Okay, they have a table. Okay, they have a table here. Now just now actually I will show you about slicer. Okay, slicer option. So how will use slicer option? What is actually slicer option? Just it is nothing but a filter option, but this is a good point of Excel. So just to use that option, simply go here, insert, then table, then make sure that my table has headers. Okay, just press OK. So just see here, this your table has header. Now take your mouse on your table, after that go insert, and from here go here slicer. Okay, slicer, just simply click here, and from here name English math. So you can select your that data, then press OK. Just simply see here, it's showing you the different it's showing you the different option. Okay, so from here now you can filter your data. Suppose you need the data for only A, or you need only data for ABC, just it's giving you data for ABC. So to select that, unselect, just simply click on it, it will select. Okay, and for select more, Control C, then like that, press like that. Okay, so from name we want to take data from A, C and D person. Okay, A, C and D, and here for English we want to take data more than 46. So just simply press Control and here 46. Okay, data 46 and 49 and also 56. Just see here, this is the 3 data. Okay, and from here also we want to again we want to filter, we want to take data 76 and 130. Just see here 76 and again 130. Now sorry, press Control. Okay, here is for 70, sorry, this data is not under our filter, so we want to take data for 123 and 33. Just see here, this is our final filter, and this is filtered filters person name is C and D. So in this way we can just use our slicer. Okay, now I'll just show you another thing. Okay, just press Ctrl Z for go back. Okay, now suppose there is a table. Okay, there is a table. Now if you press Ctrl right arrow, it will come here. Just see here, this is the end of your work. Then if you Ctrl down your just see here, if you press Ctrl down, if you press Ctrl left, Ctrl right, it would go at top, Ctrl bottom, Ctrl right, Ctrl top, like that way, Ctrl left, Ctrl down. In that way, by pressing Ctrl, you can use your arrow, Ctrl arrow keys. Okay, then advanced select. So how we'll use advanced select? Okay, so to use your advanced select, suppose you have a data A and also A. Okay, you have two data of A. Now you want to select that. So for that, just simply come here, find, give your what you want to find, then press A, then find wall. Okay, find wall. Now from here it's showing us they have A, there have A on here. Okay, then Ctrl A. Okay, Ctrl A, it's showing we have A on that value. Okay, we have A on that data. So just when you will select that by pressing Ctrl A. Okay, otherwise you can just simply select January, JANNUARY, January, then sorry for my find wall, sorry, I have to give here JANNUARY, then find wall. Just see here it's showing 1 January, then simple Ctrl A. Okay, just from here Ctrl A, from here select Ctrl A, and it's showing you the data of January. Now close that, and you can now change its anything, just simply color, you can give its background, also you can change its size, shape, like that. Okay, so you can use that. Now I will first of all I will show you about important topic, I mean important activity of Excel, that how we'll hide a cell. Okay, suppose there have some cell. Okay, there have many cell, but I want to hide that value from that cell. Okay, how we'll do that actually? Suppose first of all I will go here for sum, if I sum that to understand you. Okay, now just see here. Okay, just see here 49 and 33, this is the summation. Now I want to hide value from here. Okay, I want to hide value from here 3 3. Okay, 3 3. Now just simply from here simply right click, then go here format cell. Okay, and from go here custom, and here select the general, simply select the general and give here 3 semicolon, 1 2 3, 3 semicolon, and simply press OK. Just see here the value from that high cell have removed. Okay, value from that cell have removed. If you now change your data here 10, it's 43, they have 33. Just if you take your mouse here, or if you click here, just you will see that data, I mean your value, but value is not available here. Okay, now after the how will just again show your data, simply again click, then format cell, then come here custom, and from here delete that data and press OK. Just see here, here is your data. So in this way just you can select your any data. Okay, you can select your any data. Now I will show you about some important topic about that. A status bar. What is the status bar actually? Suppose if I select here something, or suppose I have selected that 4 value, now it's showing you the average. Okay, average of selected cell. So the average value of that selected cell, it's showing us here. Okay, it's showing us here, and the count. Okay, number of selected cell, this is count, and here is the sum. Okay, the sum of the selected cell. So if we sum here, just simply press sum. Actually I am just using some code, and also I will discuss with you about that code in next. Just see here, this is 275, and if I use average, average, then I'll select that, enter. Okay, just if I select that 4 value, just see here it's showing us from here. If you see here 68.75, just see here it's 68.75, and the summation is 275, here 275. just see here, this is the status bar. Now by right clicking, just simply take your mouse and right click, and from here you can select many more from here what you actually want to see here. Okay, what do you want to see here in your status bar? Suppose you want to see maximum value, minimum value, also you can set that option. Okay, so after that I'll go for inserting multiple row and multiple columns. Suppose I need 4 column between that columns row and column A's, column row and column A's. I need 4 columns. Okay, I need 4 columns, I mean blank columns. Now how we'll do that? Just simply I'll select A's, then insert like that. Okay, in 4 time I'll just do that, but when I need huge amount of column, then it will take my huge time, but we can do it instantly within a second. Just simply where just I need cell between G and H, I need cell between G and H, right? Then from H I'll select 4 cell. Here I have selected 4 cell. Okay, here I have select 4 cell. Now I'll just simply right click and then insert, left click. Just see here, here is my 4 cell. How easy it is. So in this way just we can work. Actually in Excel they have huge technique, just you have to focus on your work, and just you have to apply that. How creative you are, and you will be very very good in Excel, so much. Now I just need similarly I need some row between 10 and 11. Okay, now from 11 I will select the how number. Suppose I need 5. Okay, I will just select 5 row, then right click, insert. Just see here, here is your 5 row, here is your 5 row. Okay, so in this way just we can insert that. Now I will just show you about an interesting thing. Okay, actually I will make a video, proper video on it, but I want to show you something. Suppose there have a text of 33. Okay, 10 and suppose 10, it's 20, it's showing the sum is 20, right? Here 10 into 10 sum we have give it 20. Now suppose this is, I just want to add text before and after that value. Suppose I want to text before and after that value, I mean 10 after and before 10. Now just simply double click, I'll double click here, and after 10 I'll give a value here. Suppose 10 taka. Okay, I'll just give 10 taka. Now see here what happened actually here when I have done that, and when I have summed that, this value are not considering, only taking that value. Okay, only taking that value, because now this is not value. Okay, now this is not value, and if I just use I will delete that. I'll just select both of them, and from here similarly see that it's not taking as a data. It's not taking as a data, right? And if I come here, just simply come here and see that data divided by that data, insert. Similarly now it's showing us this is value actually, so this is not value. When we have divided that value, this is not value, it's showing us like that way. Okay, now if I come here and if I delete that, and now see that 10 divided by 10, 1. But I can add text. I can add text after it. Just to add text, simply click on that data. After that, go here general, and from here go more number formula. So after that, come here customs. Okay, and from here after that, here just simply select 0. Okay, and from here just see here, give that sign. Okay, that clone sign, and after that give here again that sign. Just simply click enter or OK. Just see here, now it's taking as value. Now just take your mouse here and it's taking as value. Actually I will make a detailed video on it, so how we'll use that data. So successfully we have completed our full basic things. I mean I have almost, actually there have no limit of Excel actually. See, if I told you that I have completed everything, that is not right, but I have tried to complete everything, I mean that are required for a person to work in Excel. So I have discussed about everything. So from our next video I'll go with Excel formulas. Okay, and I will show you about 100 plus Excel formula that I know and that I use for my work. So I think if you know that and if you learn that, your Excel ability, Excel experience or Excel's work ability will be very, very high. So if you think that was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. And as usual, like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment, because your own comment inspires us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.